Please.
And Mr. Galan. And Mr. Ishaq.
Testing one here.
How many waves?
I warned them, Mr. President, that when the press comes, it will seem like an invasion. Not to worry about it.
Without AK-47s.
بعضی جبهه‌ها ما به جبهات دوام میکنیم
We are new that they must be inside Afghanistan. They should take pictures. They should go to the battlefield. They can't. That's very important for us. Inside White House, Blue House.
There is some stars. There are spots where you can see that.
This way, please.
Or 1812 on the Brunswick. But even then, we had some additional help because a rainstorm came up with the fire.
That's what happened.
I think that's where you run over with Rich. Well, I got it. Two remarks. I was very well received by the students. There was one, two that walked out. Others didn't like it. They threw their programs out.
Mr. President, are you planning any actions against the South African government to put pressure on them? Well, can you tell us, will you veto the sanctions bill before the House?